Yes, hello, welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video today, we're going to learn about setting up your trading workshop, how to use TradingView, and also how to set up a broker demo. So as a beginning trader, you have to understand how to use TradingView because TradingView is the main platform that we use in our trading. So it's very important to understand that TradingView is very key in our trading. Some of you may know it, some of you may not know it. So we're going to try and understand how to use TradingView and also how to set up your trading workspace. It's about setting up your trading workspace. In trading, you just literally need like a laptop. You don't need very much as a trader. The main thing is TradingView, a demo account, and also maybe a broker that you use. Those are the main things, and also understanding the tools and also the indicators that you use in your trading. So the first thing that we're going to go through is why your workspace matters as a trader. So a messy chart costs you seconds you don't have in a fast market. A clean, reputable workspace is the foundation every trade decision rests on. So it's very important to have a very clean workspace on your TradingView because it's very important to understand that in order for you to trade better, you need to have a clean workspace and to also simplify things in your trading or on your TradingView. So 3 panels: chart list, watch list, and order ticket. Your trading cockpit. We're going to learn more about the chart, TradingView, and everything. It's very important to also understand the things. Let's go to TradingView. So this is our TradingView. This is our candlesticks. This is the checklist of the pairs. As you can see, there's your USD, GBP, USD, gold, and NAS 100. And these are the pairs that I trade on a daily in the market. If you want to search pairs, here are pairs that you can search. BTC is there. You can also search and also go through BTC. The BTC is here. And also very many pairs. Also USD, JPY. The other thing that you're working on are demo accounts. For me, on demo accounts, I usually use my phone. On trading on demo accounts, I usually use MT5. So MT5 is one of the easier things to use, and also in the other videos that we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about MT5 and also try to understand how to use MT5. It's better to use MT5 because it's more easier. Personally, for me, that's what I use, but also there are some other people that use TradingView that also trade on TradingView. Cloud Sync, TradingView layouts follow you across every device. A clean workshop turns chaos into a reputable routine you must trust under pressure. Trading is not an easy business. You need to be very consistent during those periods. So it's very key to understand that you need to have a very clean setup in order for you to trade better, so that you can follow a reputable system, because trading is all about being reputable daily, so that you can perform well in the longer run. So it's very key to understand that. Create your TradingView account. TradingView is the charting platform most retail traders learn on fast. Setup takes under 5 minutes. It's also very key to set up your TradingView account because, as I said before, TradingView is very key to use. So I'm going to show you the desktop platform of TradingView as I've done in the first time. This is the platform. This is where you come and you sign in from. You can sign in from these places. You can sign out and then sign in from here. Sign up, register free with email or Google. Verify your email to unlock saving. So like with a platform like TradingView, you need to first register with an email address. It helps you to keep your data when you're trading. Choose your plan. A free plan covers everything a beginner needs. Pay tiers, add more indicators per chart. So TradingView also has a premium version. You can also pay some monthly cost so that you can access the indicators. The indicators are right here. So you just tap on the indicators. And you can search for any indicator that you want. Set up a time zone and units. Match your broker's server time. Keep session times and candles accurate. It's very important to also set up your work time, your trading zone. So for your desktop version, it's very easy. Just come and tap here. Whether you're in New York, in Paris, in Asia, in Africa. So you can set up your times from here. Install the mobile app. Sync layouts automatically via the cloud. Check charts and alerts on the go. So you can also install the mobile app on your phone. It helps you sync it with the desktop version. So opening a demo broker account. Demo broker account lets you trade with virtual money on live prices, zero financial risk while you learn the platform. Regulated brokers. As I talked about brokers, but there are very many regulated brokers. like IC Markets, Wanda, Forex.com. You can start with a 10K demo account, $10,000. Validity period 30 days, based on most brokers often, renewable fee. Building your chart layout. The 4 panels do the heavy lifting. Arrange them once, save the layout, and reuse it every session. Main chart, price action and candlesticks, center. So like I've been showing you before, it's very, very important to have a chart layout whereby you can have safe data to help you. So like the main chart shows you the candlesticks. This is the main chart. It shows you the candlesticks and everything, and also price action. It's in the center of the screen. The watch list, track multiple pairs. It's in the side panel. Yeah, as you can see here, it shows you multiple pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD. If you want to add a pair to your watch list, you just come here on this plus sign. Then you can type GBP JPY, and then put the plus sign. As you can see, GBP JPY is here. It's also very, very important to also know the brokers. This is Wanda, this is Forex.com. And most of these brokers are regulated brokers, so order panel, execute and manage trades at the right age. So there's also an order panel for those people that want to use TradingView, buy and sell from here. But usually for me, I use MT5. A drawing toolbar, a trend lines and annotations, left edge. So this is a drawing toolbar. So here is mine, that I use. This is for my positions, for my buy positions when I want to buy. And also this is for my sell positions, in case I want to sell. So in case I want to add maybe a tool, you just come here and just tap this, and maybe you can just tap this down onto the favorites. Yeah, the fib channel is there, so you can just do that. And maybe if you want to remove it, you can just tap the start. So you just look for anything that you want. So save layouts so they reload every session. Use multiple chart types for different pairs. Sync your layout to mobile via your account. Keep only 4 or 6 indicators visible at once. Overcrowding your charts can really mess you up as a trader. So you need to keep everything simple as a trader so that everything can become easier for you in the charts. So when you try to put very, very many indicators, so you need to keep things simple. Must have indicators and tools. We start with a small proven toolkit. You can always add more once you understand what each one shows. Moving average, smoothest price to reveal trend direction. There is a 20, the 50, the 200 moving average. So the moving averages are here, like I told you. Like you come here and you can search here moving average. Here they're going to show you different types of moving averages. I normally use the exponential moving average. This is the 9 moving average. You can just come here to the settings. Here, and then maybe you can change it to 200. Yeah, it's going to, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, so it shows that the market. It shows trend direction. It shows that the market is in an uptrend. Here, as you can see, the market is pushing to the upside. As you can see here, the market is showing bullish bias. So it's very, very key. But also you can change the colors if you feel that if you can just come to style and maybe you can change the colors. The RSI or the relative strength index, flags of about or oversold conditions on a 0 to 100 scale. You can also use the RSI. It's there. It's called the relative strength index. So you can just come here. It shows it shows different. So this is the middle line. When prices up here, it shows you overbought, or down here it shows you oversold. So this is also an indicator to to either sell from this side or to buy from this side in case price has pushed really low. As you can see, when price pushes above this line, most of the time you find that price sells most of the times. As you can see here, volume confirms the strength and conviction behind a price move. Volume. So the next indicator is volume. So now this is the volume. When you see like this price pushing higher, most of the time it indicates that price is most likely going to push to the upside. As you can see here, a price push to the upside. As you can see what happened. Whenever these candles show strong pushes to the upside, most likely that price is going to push. Or when you see like red candles here, as you can see, it shows sells. Also these positions were doing the same thing. Also these positions were selling. So it's very important to also understand that. Drawing tools, trend lines, Fibonacci, and support and resistance level. Now this is the trend line. If we trend line, price has to show us 3 reactions from the trend line for us to consider either buying or selling, or maybe to consider an entry. So as you see here, this was the first tap, this was the second tap, this was the third tap. So for trend line, it's very key for price to show us those 3 touches, the Fibonacci retracement. This is the Fib. So when you're using a Fib, we're using structure levels. In case you want to buy or sell, we use structure levels on our Fib. This is the Fib. As you can see, this was a very nice break of structure here. Price pushes to the upside and retraces to the 50%, as you can see, and it eventually pushes to the upside there. So that is the Fib retracement. So this is another indication also. What does price do? Price pushes to the upside. This is structure, then retraces, and then reacts, and then continues higher. So so that is the Fib level. Support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels drawn in this type of way. There has to be multiple touches to consider a support level. So we can consider this as our support level because there are multiple touches. This is the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, the fourth touch. So it is a very nice indicator for us to use. As you can see here, the multiple touches, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and then price pushes to the upside. It shows the strength of price at a particular level. Common mistakes to avoid: once your workspace is built, avoid these traps that slow beginners down, skipping the demo phase and jumping straight to a live account. So it's very important to start with virtual money when you're starting to trade. Cluttering charts with 10 indicators that conflict with each other. So it's also very important to also use minimal indicators, to not use over 20-30 indicators. So it's very important to maybe like use one, maybe like the moving average. Never saving your layout, starting from scratch every session. So it's also very important to also save your layout. Using a demo balance that doesn't match your real account size, ignoring time zone settings, causing mistrading sessions. So also the time settings are also very important. Treating demo trades carelessly instead of practicing real discipline. So it's also very important to also build and hone your skills on the demo accounts, so that when you reach on the live accounts, you're ready to trade the live accounts. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and also comment. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.